Hello, this is my screencast introduction. I chose to do the topic of music therapy for adults with Alzheimer's. I'm really interested in Alzheimer's because it affects the brain, it affects our memories. I think memories are probably one of the most important things that we have as human. Our experiences and our memories and our ability to reflect on those memories and experience make up part of who we are, most of who we are, and losing those memories and the ability to process them and reason makes us less than human. It's what takes away part of our humanity. And Alzheimer's is a disease that it takes those things away. It has no cure, and there's no specific cause to it. And it just slowly takes away who a person is and their life before they even die. Alzheimer's is a disease that shrinks the brain. It reduces almost all functions. It's the 6th leading cause of death in the U.S., and it's just a cruel killer. There are millions of Americans who have it, and other millions more who care for people with Alzheimer's who are unpaid because they're family members or their friends. It's just a cruel disease. But it's also very fascinating that it's just such a killer. Despite, though, being such a devastating disease, there can still be joy and a temporary relief through the use of music. It can help recall memories. It can improve someone's mood and their behaviors. And I'm just really interested in how such a devastating thing can still be impacted by music. And these are my sources for some of the things, 2 of the pictures, and then I got a lot of things from the Alzheimer's Association in my initial research. Thank you.